A stroke occurs when a blood clot or ruptured blood vessel cuts the blood supply to a person's brain. A person may be able to lower their risk of stroke by eating a healthy and balanced diet. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), stroke is the third leading trusted source cause of disability and the second leading cause of death globally.
In this video, the types of foods to eat and avoid to help reduce a person's risk of stroke. It also provides other tips for stroke prevention. What is a stroke? A stroke occurs when the brain's blood supply is interrupted, depriving brain tissue of oxygen and nutrients. There are two main types: ischemic stroke, most common, caused by a blood clot blocking a vessel;
Hemorrhagic stroke, caused by a blood vessel rupture, leading to bleeding in or on the brain. In both cases, brain cells begin to die within minutes, which is why stroke is a leading cause of long-term disability and death. However, the right foods can aid prevention and enhance recovery. The connection between diet and stroke. Numerous studies confirm a strong link between diet and stroke risk. Here's how: high salt intake increases blood pressure, a major stroke risk factor. Processed foods can promote inflammation and arterial plaque. Trans fats and added sugars lead to obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular strain. In contrast, diets rich in fiber, antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and potassium help to maintain healthy blood vessels, reduce cholesterol, and stabilize blood pressure. One study from the American Heart Association found that adopting a Mediterranean-style diet significantly reduces stroke risk and aids recovery by improving neuroplasticity. Top 15 foods that reduce stroke risk. 1. Leafy greens: spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula are loaded with vitamin K, folate, magnesium, and antioxidants. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and maintain flexible blood vessels. 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce blood clots, lower triglycerides, and improve brain health. 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with flavonoids and antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a contributor to stroke and aging. 4. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds offer healthy fats, fiber, and magnesium, which support heart health and reduce inflammation.
5. Whole grains. Oats, quinoa, barley, and brown rice are high in fiber, which lowers cholesterol and helps regulate blood sugar levels, both crucial for stroke prevention.
6. Avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and potassium, both of which help control blood pressure and reduce arterial plaque buildup. 7. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains polyphenols and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect arteries and support cardiovascular function. 8. Tomatoes, rich in lycopene. Tomatoes reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and lower the risk of ischemic stroke. 9. Garlic. Garlic helps reduce blood pressure and has antithrombotic properties, preventing blood clots and supporting vascular health. 10. Beans and lentils. A great source of plant protein and fiber. Legumes help lower LDL bad cholesterol and support stable blood sugar. 11. Green tea. Loaded with catechins, green tea has anti-inflammatory effects and supports brain and heart health. 12. Pomegranate. Its high polyphenol content helps reduce oxidative stress and improve blood flow. 13. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, beneficial for brain recovery. 14. Beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which help lower blood pressure and improve oxygen delivery to the brain. 15. Dark chocolate, in moderation. Dark chocolate 70% plus cocoa offers flavonoids that improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Best foods for stroke recovery. Blueberries support neuroplasticity and memory. Fatty fish aid in nerve regeneration and cognitive function. Eggs, high in choline, essential for brain signaling. Foods that support nerve function. B-complex vitamins found in whole grains, dairy, meats, important for nerve health. Magnesium nuts, seeds. Legumes, reduces muscle stiffness and spasms. Protein for muscle regeneration. Lean poultry, legumes, tofu help rebuild muscle tissue and regain strength. Hydration and electrolytes. Coconut water, water-rich fruits, melon, cucumber prevent dehydration, which can delay recovery. Bananas and sweet potatoes, high in potassium and magnesium. Foods to avoid after a stroke. Processed meats, bacon, sausages, high in sodium and preservatives. Fast food, loaded with trans fats and salt. Sugary drinks, increase blood sugar and triglycerides. High-fat dairy contributes to plaque buildup. Excessive alcohol damages blood vessels and impairs healing. How to build a stroke-friendly meal plan. A balanced plate should include 50% fruits and vegetables, 25% whole grains, 25% lean protein, healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, seeds. Use herbs and spices instead of salt, and opt for grilling, steaming, or roasting instead of frying. Tips for sustainable, heart-healthy eating. Plan meals ahead to avoid unhealthy choices. Shop the perimeter of the grocery store for fresh produce and lean proteins. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Read nutrition labels to avoid hidden sugars and sodium. Eat mindfully, slow down, and savor each bite. Sample 7-day meal plan. Day 1. Breakfast, oatmeal with blueberries and flax seeds. Lunch, quinoa salad with spinach, beans, and olive oil dressing. Dinner, grilled salmon with steamed broccoli and brown rice. Day 2. Breakfast, avocado toast on whole grain bread. Lunch, lentil soup with mixed greens. Dinner, baked chicken breast, eat salad. Roasted sweet potato. Day 3. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with walnuts and raspberries. Lunch, brown rice bowl with tofu, edamame, carrots, and sesame dressing. Dinner, trout with quinoa and sautéed kale. Day 4. Breakfast, smoothie with spinach, banana, berries, and chia seeds. Lunch, hummus wrap with cucumbers, tomatoes, and olives. Dinner, turkey stir-fry with mixed vegetables and brown rice. Day 5. Breakfast, whole grain waffles with almond butter and pomegranate seeds. Lunch, chickpea salad with lemon tahini dressing. Dinner, baked cod with asparagus and farro. Day 6. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with tomatoes and spinach. Lunch, vegetable barley soup and whole grain toast. Dinner, grilled chicken with quinoa and roasted Brussels sprouts. Day 7. Breakfast, cottage cheese with pineapple and sunflower seeds. Lunch, avocado and black bean salad with lime dressing. Dinner, mackerel with lentils and garlic green beans. Strokes can change lives in an instant, but your response can change the outcome. Recovery doesn't end at the hospital door, it continues with every bite you take. The foods you eat can either be part of the problem or the foundation of your healing. Nutrition is not just a support tool, it's a form of medicine. A diet rich in antioxidant-packed fruits, leafy greens, healthy fats, and lean proteins doesn't only protect your heart and blood vessels. It also fuels your brain's resilience and repair mechanisms. These choices enhance neuroplasticity, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and replenish essential nutrients that stroke survivors need to recover and thrive. Whether you're working to prevent your first stroke or recover from a past one, remember that every meal is an opportunity to rebuild, to recover, to regain control. It's never too late to start. The body and brain have an incredible capacity to heal when given the right tools. You're not just eating for nourishment, you're eating for a second chance at life. Subscribe to Healthly 24H for more health and nutrition insights that could save your life.